Hey! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this Nokia smartphone. First of all, you need to click on Devices Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Sound. Following that, you need to scroll down again and click on Vibrate Vocals. Then tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button and choose shortcut to prevent ringing. You can enable this feature by clicking on this switcher here and set up vibrate by tapping on this option if it's not already on. Then go back, scroll down again, and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibrations, and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!